history is written not only by victors, but by assassins. From the Roman Senate to the African plains, from theaters to motorcades, power has always ended in betrayal. This is the story of rulers whose reigns collapsed in blood and silence. Welcome to the last day of power.